Good morning, guys. Hope you're doing well. Today we are going to work on Lesson 3, the Fugitive Slave Act in Unit 5. So today we're kind of doing a web quest, but I put all the information on a sheet to kind of help you out. So the CQ is, how did the Fugitive Slave Act impact the institution of slavery in the United States? Now to do that, there's a couple of parts. Part 1, read over this overview of the Fugitive Slave Law, then in your notes, answer the questions that follow. So you're going to read this little passage right here, and you're going to answer these 4 questions. So I'm going to kind of go over this with you. One of the most controversial laws passed relating to slavery was the Fugitive Slave Act. The act strengthened earlier laws by enforcing greater penalties on runaway slave people and those who aided them. This, under harsh new acts, federal marshals or law enforcers who worked for the U.S. government could face ordinary citizens to help capture them, these runaway slaves. Anyone who helped the enslaved person escape faced penalties, as did the marshal who failed to enforce the law. Further, the law denied accused fugitives the right of trial by jury. Now, the law triggered bitter anger in the northern states. Many people defied it. And some states passed new laws that protected runaway enslaved people. Armed groups confronted slave catchers and freed enslaved people from jail. Nonetheless, slavery continued to expand in the South. So based on that passage, you're going to answer these 4 questions in complete sentences. So 1, who was targeted for punishment under the Fugitive Slave Act? So who got in trouble under this act? Why would it be unfair to accused fugitives to deny them the right of trial by jury? Why is this unfair not to allow them to have this trial by jury? 3, how might a Northerner have reacted to the Fugitive Slave Act based on what you just read? And then finally, how might a Southerner have reacted to the Fugitive Slave Act? So you're looking at 2 different perspectives here. I want all 4 of these done in complete sentences for credit. Okay. Next, part 2. You're going to watch part 2 video, number 2 video, located in the instructions, and write down 5 important facts about your laws in your notes. So we have 5 here. So I'm going to have a link in the instructions that will take you to this right here. As you can see, this is 1 minute and 46 seconds long. So please feel free to watch this as many times as you need. After you watch this video, you're going to give me 5 facts in complete sentences, please. Thank you. Now, part 3, we're going to use the information provided in parts 1 and 2. And we're going to use this amazing online calculator located in the instructions to determine how much money the reward would be in today's money for a captured runaway slave. So I will put this link right here in the instructions for you to do. So you got to remember what you read and review back to sections 1 and 2 to be able to do 3. And you'll give me the cost of a runaway slave. Now, finally, part 4. You're going to examine these images and look at each image below. On this page, you're going to summarize what you see in the image, and then you write what you can infer or conclude about the Fugitive Slave Act from the image. So, you're going to look at your image right here. I want you to summarize it in complete sentences, what you're seeing, what this is about, and then what can you infer or an educated guess about the Fugitive Slave Act from this one image. All right. Now, I want you to do that for this one, and finally this one. And when you're done, you will do your post-it down here and submit. All right. This will be your last assignment for this week. I'll post your grades for these 3 assignments online on Monday evening. All right. If you have any questions, let me know. All right, guys, have a good day.